Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. More reviews. Today we're doing an update on the completed Mandela Highway known as the ferry. So we're just taking a look from a bird's eye view. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. You can subscribe so you can see more content like this. Leave your comments as well and like and share the video. Alright, so first of all, apologies for the heavy wind noise. I am high up, so the wind is very high as well. So the traffic on my right is heading into Spanish Town, into St. Catherine. Traffic on my left is heading into Kingston. I'll also, bring you around to the next side as well, so you guys can see from the other angle. So this bridge and this Mandela Highway was recently completed. Seems as if there is already an accident right there, so thank God for those barriers. It's probably that vehicle would have went over onto Mandela, which would have been crazy. So ignore the breeze, guys. I'll show you around. So I know we're still in the Rona crisis, the COVID crisis, so I hope everyone is staying safe, staying inside, staying sanitized, maintaining your social distance as well. So on this side, vehicles on the left heading into Spanish Town, vehicles on the right heading into Kingston. Also seen where they fenced the bridge so that the vehicles underneath persons can throw stuff on them. So we are seeing some cracks in the sidewalk as well, so hope it's nothing major. And some separation right here. Hope it's nothing major. What we'll also do, guys, is take a look at the new Fesco gas station, which is going to be on the ferry. It's down that side. So we're going to take a look on it in this video. So that's the new Fesco gas station. When we're finished here, we'll include it in this video. Alright guys, so this is a shot of the ferry highway, the finished ferry highway, and also the ferry pen industrial complex on the left. We'll show you guys a glimpse as well. I have another video on the ferry industrial complex, a lot more details, so you guys can always check that out as well. Alright, so this is the newly finished Tropical Battery building, their head office. A lot of investment went here. I think they're planning an IPO soon as well, so distribution, and I think their office complex is also here. This is the Tropical Battery, and over this side is the ferry pen industrial complex, which has like Nestle, Chapman, Derman Trading, and other warehouse and distribution company as well. Some currently under construction. So there's a more detailed video as well, which is on the channel for this ferry pen industrial complex. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys now the new Fesco gas station, the new headquarters as well. That's on ferry, not too far from here. So stay tuned, guys, and remember, leave your comments. Remember to like, subscribe, and share, and definitely leave your comments. Alright, so the new Fesco gas station is right behind me. It's opposite the Idle group of schools, the Idle University. So around this side you have the Fesco gas station being developed. It will be the gas station, and I think their head office as well. Pretty unique design. It will have a round shape, a dome shape like. I know in the past few weeks, one of the Fesco gas station in Mandela caught on fire. There was an explosion. I think one person didn't make it in that incident. But this is a project that started way before that. There's no gas station on the ferry, so this will be one of the gas stations on the ferry. And I think it will also be their head office with a very unique design. As you can see, circular shaped, dome shape. It's close to the ferry police station as well. I think they're also planning to go on an IPO real soon. I'm not sure if the fire in Mandeville to one of their outlets affected that. But they are a private company in Jamaica. So a few gas stations owner came together and started the Fesco brand. I think Trevor Evans is the main partner. So this will be the home of the Fesco gas station. Seems that they still have a tasty here as well. The project is financed by Rita. I think they want to increase the amount of gas stations they have as well in Jamaica. I think they want to reach the 10 gas station mark and even pass that as well. So this is the Fesco on ferry, currently under construction, close to the ferry police station. basically in front of Idle. So definitely leave your thoughts, guys, leave your comments, let me know what you think about this project, let me know what you think about the entire video, let me know what you think about the recently finished ferry. Leave everything in the comment section, and definitely subscribe if you're new. Subscribing is free, and if you want to donate to the channel, we have PayPal and other options as well. So thanks for watching, thanks for reaching this far, and see you in the next video.